In DICloak, you can set up proxy groups to manage multiple proxy configurations. When you have many proxies from different regions or of different types, using groups can significantly reduce your management time. Most importantly, when assigning proxies to a profile, you can quickly and randomly select an unused proxy from a specific group. Let me show you how. First, go to the Proxies section. In the proxy list, you can assign a group to a single proxy, or select multiple proxies and assign a group to them in bulk. When choosing a proxy group, you'll see a default group. All proxies without a designated group are placed in this default group. You can add a new group here and then select it. If you need to delete a group, you can click here. After setting up groups, you can click the Filter button to filter proxies by group. Next, let's see how to use groups to configure proxies for profiles more efficiently. Go to Profiles. You can configure a proxy for a single profile. Click Edit, choose Saved Proxy, select a proxy group, and then pick a specific proxy from that group. Or click the Random button. The system will prioritize selecting an unused proxy from that group for you. If no unused proxies are left in the group, it will randomly select one that is already in use. If you don't select a proxy group, it will choose from all available proxies. You can also configure proxies for multiple profiles in bulk. Select the target profiles, click More Actions, Edit Profile, Edit Proxy, and choose Saved Proxy. If you want all selected profiles to use the same proxy, choose Fixed. Then select a group and a proxy. You can also click Random to prioritize an unused one. If you want each selected profile to use a different proxy, choose Random. Then select a proxy group. The system will prioritize assigning a different unused proxy from that group to each profile. If you have enough proxies, the random method will assign a unique proxy to each profile. This saves you the time of manually selecting a region-specific proxy for each individual profile. That's how to set up proxy groups and randomly assign them to profiles. If you have more questions, contact DICloak technical support for further assistance.